Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Church Street, nestled in the heart of Bridgwater, where today we are looking at this immaculately presented 4-bed, 3-reception property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
All of my patience has run dry. You've been wasting all my precious time. How do you look me in the eye when I already told you? Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke and we're still stuck on repeat, yeah. Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke, but we're still on repeat, yeah.
So if you want to view this absolutely stunning family home, or if you want to have your property valued by the property centre, please get in touch.